up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing y'all how to do some goddess box braids. So this is going to be my first time ever attempting this, so like I'm a little nervous because I'm like, I don't know if it's going to turn out cute or not, but we shall see. So I'm just starting off on freshly washed and blow dried hair. So I washed my hair last night, and I also did an apple cider vinegar rinse on it because my hair really could use some TLC at the moment. It's super duper heat damage. Y'all really can't tell right now because it's like a blowout, but if it were like curly and wet, y'all would see like my curls don't look anything like how they used to. So your girl is trying to bring her hair back to life. So yeah, I still decided to blow dry it though, because like I feel like you can do braids on your hair when it's not blow dried, but I feel like it's like low-key a lot harder and like harder to part and stuff like that. So I just prefer to blow dry my hair before installing braids. But yeah. Sponsor of today's video is DOSSIER. DOSSIER is a perfume company who specializes in making dupes of luxurious scents and being able to sell them at an affordable price. They have a bunch of different perfumes and a wide selection of candles and different scents for anyone. So make sure to check out their website, guys. They have anything for men, women, and unisex scents as well. They also have a bunch of different deals going on, and along with that, I do have a discount code for you guys, which will be linked in the description box down below. So make sure to check out DOSSIER, guys. They are absolutely amazing, and they will have you smelling super good and super fresh for the summertime. I am going to be installing the braids, so yeah, I'm gonna take y'all with me. And yeah, let's all really hope that this turns out cute, because if it doesn't, then I'm gonna cry. Okay? Yeah.
I know shit won't be no shit, baby. You know I'm loving that, it got me so crazy. Baby, those off right after, that's how I know it's good. You always gonna be my baby. Niggas be in my ear about you, oh, that ain't right. Bitches be in my ear about you, no, that ain't right. No, 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 hey, no, no, oh, crazy. Know this shit might look wild to them, but it ain't for them to get. It's for us and that's for them. They don't know what's going on, all up in the Kool-Aid. Maybe I took that shit too far. Toxic, ooh, toxic, yeah. Toxic, ooh, toxic, yeah. Loving you, baby, I don't know what to do, yeah. I know I ain't ready to let go. Gossip, ooh, baby, yeah. Gossip, all this shit that's crazy, yeah. Gossip, but you know I ain't going nowhere. Where they all in our business. True what they say about you, I want this. Essence to boast, to flaunt this. Over there, I don't get embarrassed about one of these hosts. I don't think you're doing shit, but you never know. Funny how you never volunteer your phone. I wanna walk away, but what if I'm wrong? Believing you need it, you want it, and I see it through. Know this shit might look wild to them, but it ain't for them to get. It's for us and that's for them. They don't know what's going on, all up in the Kool-Aid. Maybe I took that shit too far. Toxic, ooh, toxic. business.
I put my hands in the pan, not for the smell to see is it wet enough. Ain't got a key, she comes to the room, I tell the front desk to let her up. She 5 away, I like I'm ready, I'm just getting up and freshen up. I told her my head hurt, she told me to get a BC and a 7-up. Deleted my call log, I know that she thirsty. She say I'm a nigga, ain't nobody perfect. Keeping my gun inside of her purse. Say I talk nasty in all of my verse, that's real. She asked do I know it, then I tell her just chill. She asked do I drink, and I tell her just peel. I said I flip houses, she said let's chill. Rather have diamonds instead of veneer. I'm grabbing her body, I'm pulling her closer, I'm licking her ear. When I go deep, she run up the sheets, I see tears. Why you so toxic? After sex, she wearing my box. Don't get a groupie pic, get your phone and lock it.
No. You never know.
Okay, y'all, so here is the completed look. A couple of days have gone by since I finished my hair, but I've been super duper busy, so I'm filming now to let y'all see how it looks. But I'm so happy with how it turned out. I feel like my parting is the best that I've ever done, parting my hair like by myself. So I'm super happy with how everything looks. Here it is from the back. Some of the ones in the back are a little loose, but it still looks pretty decent, pretty nice. But yeah, make sure to check out DOSSIER, and make sure to also like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll be back with more content, y'all. Bye.